Hey guys, happy Chinese New Year. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I painted my Chinese New Year design. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using unpeel off base coat, which I always leave linked in the description box. Next, I'm going to be painting all of my fingernails red, and red is a very significant and lucky color during this holiday season because it actually scares away the monster that comes and hurts the village people. So this is to ward off those bad spirits and to bring about good fortune and luck. And now I'm applying a layer of top coat just to seal in this layer so that when we apply our design and we top coat it at the very end, we don't have red smearing on top of the design. Top coat also hardens the layer so that we can do this step, which is applying striping tape, and I'm applying striping tape to create crisper and sharper stripes on my index and pinky fingernails. So I just created a pretty thick vertical line in the middle, and I'm applying gold glitter polish, and the gold is also very significant during this holiday. You see it a lot on decorations. And as for the two nails in the middle, my middle and ring fingernails, I'm using the same gold glitter polish, and I'm going to be drawing the mice that Jungkook actually drew on his 2020 season's greetings photos. So I thought they were super cute, and I definitely wanted to include them in my New Year's design. So I just drew the two mice designs that he had, and so one of them is a girl, which is the one I'm drawing here, and then I'm drawing the boy on my ring fingernail. And for the thumbnail, I'm going to be drawing something very iconic, so I'm going to start by laying down 4 points, which I will then connect to form a square, and this square will be where I draw the Fu character, which means fortune. So this is very iconic because every Chinese person has this hung up in their homes, including mine, and by having this upside down, it's Fu Dao. So the character I'm writing in the middle is Fu, which means fortune, and by turning upside down, which is Dao in Chinese, it also sounds the same as your luck has arrived, because Dao can mean reverse or arrived depending on the character it is. Now apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for my Chinese New Year nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you celebrate this holiday, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the holiday season, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye everyone!